You did a shade still already?
Look in the circle one.
There's no circle, but I can't find it. Circle shade.
Are you happy to go beat Mom Boss for the 100th time? Wait, you've never beaten it before? All you need is a flying gear and one weapon, and then you will win. Like, it's 100%.
Okay, I got it. Got it.
Bro, are we just gonna search this entire place until we find it? Wait, what if it's in the real daycare?
No, it's yeah. Glimmer. What? Glimmer. That's a code. And also there's a code that's named Secret also.
Remember Glimmer, okay? We found it! We got it! Yo!
Should I leave the game and get back in?
Yeah.
I know you think you can run, scared of it